What if I told you that wealth isn't built in the moment you receive money, but in the quiet, hidden decisions you make every single day? What if the difference between where you are and where you want to be is not luck, not background, not who you know, but what you consistently do with what's already in your hands? Let's talk about wealth creation, not as a mystery, not as a miracle, but as a journey you can begin right now. Wealth creation is not just about becoming rich. It's about building a life of stability, freedom, and impact. It's about creating options, unlocking possibilities, and positioning yourself to help others. Everyone desires financial rest, but very few understand how wealth is actually created. The truth is, wealth is not an event, it's a process. It grows through principles, habits, and mindset shifts that anyone can adopt. We are diving into the framework that transforms ordinary income into generational wealth. As we begin, bear in mind that we will dwell on each point in our subsequent episodes to beef it up. Please look forward to it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so for more interesting content. Number 1, mindset, the foundation of wealth. Before wealth appears in your hands, it must first exist in your mind. Did you get that? Before wealth appears in your hands, it must first exist in your mind. Believe wealth is achievable for you. Many people admire wealth but never pursue it because deep down they believe it belongs to others. But the moment you believe abundance is possible, your actions begin to align with opportunities. Shift from consumer mindset to creator mindset. Wealthy people don't just spend, they produce. They don't only buy, they build. They don't only receive, they multiply. Replace excuses with responsibility. Blaming the economy, your job, or your background keeps you stuck. Taking responsibility unlocks creativity, discipline, and strategy. Number 2, skills, your real currency. Money comes and goes, but skills are permanent wealth. Learn skills that the world pays for. High-value skills include communication, tech skills, financial literacy, leadership, sales, marketing, problem solving, and more. Improve your earning capacity. You don't get paid for time, you get paid for value. The more valuable you become, the more opportunities open up. Become a lifelong learner. Wealthy people never stop learning. Books, courses, mentors, these are investments, not expenses. Number 3, have multiple streams. Don't depend on one source. Depending on one income source is depending on one point of failure. Start with one, then expand. Master your primary source, your job, career, or business, then build additional income streams around your strength. Diversify wisely. Side businesses, freelancing, investing, digital products, real estate, savings, instruments. Build streams gradually, sustainably, and strategically. Let some streams work even when you are resting. Passive income is not magic. It is simply systems that continue producing results after you set them up. Number 4, smart money management. Wealth is not just about how much you make, but how much you keep and multiply. Budgeting is not restriction, it's direction. A budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Save with purpose. Wealthy people save not for saving's sake, but for investment, emergencies, and opportunities. Master the habit of delayed gratification. Every time you delay a small pleasure, you open the door to a bigger reward. Number 5, investing. Where real wealth grows. Saving protects your money. Investing expands it. Start early. Start small. The magic of compound growth turns seeds into forests. Choose investments you understand, such as stock, real estate, agriculture, treasury instruments, business partnerships. Research before you commit. Be patient. 2. Investing rewards consistency, not impatience. The goal is long-term growth, not quick gambling. Number 6, build the right network. Your network determines your knowledge, exposure, and opportunities. Spend time with people who challenge you. If everyone around you is comfortable, you won't grow. Seek mentors. Learn from those who have walked the path you desire. Build partnerships. Collaboration. Collaboration multiplies wealth far faster than competition. Number 7, purpose and generosity. Wealth is not just about getting. True wealth includes purpose, character, and impact. Money grows where there is meaning. When your goals are tied to service and contribution, they become more powerful. Generosity expands capacity. Giving is not losing, it's sowing. The more open your hands are, the more they can receive. Wealth is a tool, not an identity. Use it wisely. Use it to bless. Use it to build. Wealth creation is a journey, not a race, not a competition. Every step you take today, every skill you learn, every coin you save, every investment you make, every idea you pursue moves you closer to financial freedom. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment. You can start with what you have. You can start where you are. And you can begin today. In our subsequent episodes, we will dwell on each point and give more flesh to it. Please look forward to that. You would like it. If this inspired you, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing content. The wealth journey begins now. Let's build together.